Okay, so this is a really simple method this week in the programming methods. It's called a 10% drop set. So quite simply, you can use this for any exercise where you want to train with hypertrophy in mind. So trying to build some muscle, good for using with lagging body parts that you feel just kind of aren't developing as well as others. And I like to use this kind of at the end of a workout. For the C series or D series, whatever's going to be like at the end of that workout to really kind of exhaust the fibers of the muscle that we're hitting. So in this we can see a 75 degree incline bicep curl, and I call it a 10% drop set because if the weight increments allow, we will drop down by 10%. So if we're doing like a high bar back squat, your first work set is going to be 100 kilos, then it makes sense, we can drop down by 10% each time. In this instance, I started at a 10 kilo bicep curl, so it's going to be difficult to drop by 10% actually not difficult at all, it'll just be by 1 kilo. But in some instances, it's going to be difficult to drop by 10%. So in those instances, we'll just look at dropping by the smallest increment that we can. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. The total rep for your whole set is 25 reps, and you're going to do 5 reps or as many as you can do. So if you can hit 5 with each increment, so there'll be 5 drops in weight, so you should have 5 weight selections queued up, and you can see that I've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 all queued up. We're going to do 5 reps at each of those. If you say on the first set have overshot it and you can only do 4 and you're going to fail on the 5th, do 4, and then we'll add that rep on where we can. Maybe you can do 6 on the next one, or maybe you do 6 on the last set of 5, just to make up that extra rep. So like I said, 25 reps. We're making either a 10% or the smallest increment that you can drop down every increment, and you're going to do 5 reps on each increment, or as many as you can until you get 25 reps. 1 to 2 sets, use it at the end of your workout, and it's a great way of causing some hypertrophy and just finishing off the working muscle groups for that session.